I've been a Wales and West board member now for 10 years, and I've been a tenant of Wales and West Housing Association for 15 years. I felt like I wanted to give back to the sector because having this house, it was life-changing for me. I adopted my brother and sister, and it was only really when we moved into this house that they felt settled and secure. That feeling of vulnerability is just, it's so uncertain, and you just feel so much insecurity all the time. And having a house and being supported to be able to live in that house and to be able to afford it and build your life is the most important thing you can give anybody in that situation. And being able to sustain those tenancies is absolutely critical. When I first joined the board, I was actually working for CREW, the Centre for Regeneration and Excellence in Wales. I had a background in sustainable development and regeneration. I've been working for Keep Wales Tidy for 10 years now, and I think there's quite a lot of read across into the sector. I know the problems that Keep Wales Tidy deals with are the problems that most communities face, issues of litter and local environment quality, promoting nature and biodiversity. It's really exciting in the social housing sector that you can plan for these things long term, and that's exactly what Wales and West has done. They've created a long-term approach to environmental sustainability, looking specifically at some of the bigger things around energy efficiency and tackling fuel poverty, but also some of the smaller things that make a real difference to people's lives and communities and their experience of where they live, such as biodiversity and nature enhancement across schemes. My experience over the past 10 years has been really positive, and I've learnt so much. I love the sector in general, and I'm really passionate about how the sector can make a real difference to people's lives and communities.